Here's Jan's serve back when he was ranked 184 in the world, and here he is today, ranked 77. Watch the difference. In the right clip, he's loading his racket head sooner, getting into that trophy position early. So when he pushes off his feet, you get a seamless chain: feet, knees, hips, torso, shoulder, all connecting together. That lets the racket drop quickly into the back scratch position, load the pronation, and unload like a whip. In the left clip, on grass, the racket loads late. It never drops cleanly into that pronated back scratch position. And because the racket's late, his hips open up too early. He leaks power before he even makes contact. In the right clip, once he fixed it, his hips stay sideways longer as he drives up and out. That's what gives him more power going up and through the ball, and a lot more consistency. That one change has been a massive improvement in his serve. Want to improve your own game? Master your biomechanics with full court tennis. Download the app today.